Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to be installing a radio in the 350Z. It is the Atoto. It's in-dash car entertainment, but it's the premium and it's the 10-inch premium. So it's got a bunch of functions and everything, but it looks really good. I really hope we can make it fit, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna get to wiring everything and then putting it in the car. So this is what I got so far. This rat's nest, and when I bought it, it currently didn't have the radio, if y'all saw in the first video. So we're gonna be fixing that, and then I'm going to be installing the new one. Okay, so I'm back and I've got it all wired up, and I used these little connectors. They got solder in the middle, and you just heat them up and they melt it and then connect the wires and then heat shrink it all at once. So definitely pick those up. But I just got every wire done, except I found out that the 350Z has no ground. So I ended up taking this piece off and the whole plate right here off, and then I found right back here there's a little bolt, and I connected it to it. So we're gonna see now if it works. There's power, and it works. Alright, so I'm gonna put it all back together, and then we're gonna put it in, and then I'll show you all the features. Alright, so this is it installed. I had a little bit of trouble because I didn't actually know that the auxiliary, I thought that was for something else. So it actually powered the amp. So it wasn't actually connected to the speakers. So there was power to it, but it wasn't connected to the speakers. So make sure you hook up that auxiliary, and it's all put back together and everything. And I need new speakers for it because the stock ones are just not that good. But this is what it sounds like.
Ayo, Paris, this shit high, boy.
Tryna catch a vibe, I had to put it on. About it too skitty, yeah, we headed for the sun. Tryna going high, I ain't tripping for the.
And it needs a new sub in the back, but it just works real easy. Well, this way. And then you got all your apps you can download. And I actually have a few things downloaded on here, but it connects to the internet, Bluetooth, everything. You got your Bluetooth music, your CarLink, everything. Google, there's actually YouTube on here, maps, everything. So I recommend it, and this is what it looks like in here. You can actually use, my top one's a little broken, but you can use this. It opens and closes when it works, and then you can still use your AC knobs. All those are still working, and then you can shift and it doesn't even come close to it. So I definitely recommend it. If you're actually looking for a radio, it's good. It is a little big, so if that's not your thing, then don't. But I can actually see live gauges and everything on here, so it's going to help me out in the future. If that's your thing, definitely buy it.